Hello guys, welcome po ulit sa akin na naman panibagong vlog. So ayan, kung bago pa lang po pala kayo sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, share, subscribe at click na rin po ang notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga ina-upload na video. So for today's video guys, andito po pala tayo ngayon sa Barangay Nagaha, Hernan Eastern Samar upang kung saan silipin natin ang isa sa mga pinagmamalaki, ang Panglao Beach. So ayan, shoutout po pala kay Tisha Channel, kay Tids TV, Alan Channel, at syempre shoutout din po pala sa mga nag-sponsor sa aking pamasahe. So ayan, God bless you all po.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Bilis! Bilis! Huli si Papa ng kuwab.